Welcome to my class. In this class, we are going to talk about history of computers. Men's search for fast and accurate calculating device has led to the development of computer. The present-day computer of huge processing and storage capability is the result of countless inventions and ideas of many people and organizations that took place in the last several decades. The evolutionary period of computer can be divided into four phases, that is era. The first one is pre-mechanical era. The second one is mechanical era. The third one is electromechanical era. And the last one is electronic era. These four periods of technology, they are described below. Each period is characterized by some principal technology that was used to solve the input, processing, output, and communication problem of the time. These periods are pre-mechanical era starting from 3000 BC to 1450 AD. Mechanical era 1450 to 1820 AD. Electromechanical era 1820 to 1940. The fourth one, electronic era 1940 to present. Now the first one, pre-mechanical era. The pre-mechanical era is the time in which there were no computer systems. This time is estimated to be around 3000 BC. The pre-mechanical age is generally regarded as having lasted from the beginning of recorded history to about the middle of the 15th century. A quick overview of some of the important historical developments is given below. In the pre-mechanical era, abacus was considered to be the first manual calculating device invented around 600 BC. Abacus was used to count by moving its beads up and down. In the early 17th century, John Napier, a Scottish mathematician, invented a device called Napier's bones, which were multiplication tables inscribed on strips of wood or bone. It was used for the multiplication and division. This is the photograph of John Napier and his Napier's bones. Mechanical era. The mechanical era is defined as the time period between 1450 to 1820. A number of new technologies were developed in this era, like the slide rule, an analog computer used for multiplying and dividing. In 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented a calculating machine called Pascaline. Blaise Pascal is credited with the invention of first operational calculator of the world. This is the picture of Blaise Pascal and his machine Pascaline. The third one is electromechanical era. The electromechanical era signaled the beginning of telecommunications as we know it today. This age can be considered as the time between 1820 to 1940. Several revolutionary technologies were invented in this period, such as Morse code, telephone, radio, etc. This is the example of International Morse code. And this is the Morse code device. In 1821, Charles Babbage, an English mathematician, designed a machine to calculate mathematical tables. This machine was named as difference engine. Due to lack of technology at that time, this machine was not completely successful. Later in 1833-34, Charles Babbage designed another machine called analytical engine. This engine was made to function with the help of steam power. The concept of this machine became the basis for further development of computers in future, as it had all the parts of modern computer. As all basic parts of modern day computer were thought out by Charles Babbage, he is considered as the father of computers. Later on, Hermann Hollerith invented a machine called tabulating machine for doing counting work for 1880 US Census. Hermann Hollerith founded a company named the Computing Tabulating Recording Company, which today is IBM Corporation. Electronic era. This era includes the period from 1940 to the present. In 1944, Harvard A. Aiken of Harvard University, in collaboration with IBM Corporation, that is International Business Machine Corporation, invented first American general purpose electromechanical computer called Mark I and later on its successor Mark II. This is Mark II machine. In 1945, a significant contribution was made by John von Neumann, a Frenchman working for IBM Corporation. He designed the basic structure of a computer to include the capacity to perform logical functions, perform repetitive functions, store data and instructions. He gave a particular design which is popularly known as John von Neumann architecture. His design was like this: input units, primary storage, then complete CPU consisting of control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Secondary storage and output unit. All these components which were thought out by John von Neumann, these can be found in present day computers. America developed for the first time a fully electronic computer, ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. The first real computer. It was made in November 1945. This is the picture of ENIAC. Thank you very much.